Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mixpanel funnels and event properties, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Mixpanel funnels, log into your Mixpanel account. Navigate to the project's home screen. Select the appropriate project you want to work on. Once in your project, look at the left sidebar. Click on Analyze to open the analysis tools. From the drop-down, select Funnels. You will now see an option to create a new funnel. Click on the Create Funnel button. In the funnel setup interface, you'll need to name your funnel. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the goal of the funnel. Next, you'll want to add the events that you want to include in the funnel. Click the Add Event button to begin. A list of your events will appear. Search for and select the first event that initiates your funnel. Add subsequent events that represent each step of your funnel. Arranging these events in the order of the user journey is crucial. Once you've added all your events, review them for accuracy. You now have the option to add filters to your funnel steps. Filters can help segment the users based on specific properties. To add filters, click on the event step you want to filter. Under Add a Filter, select the property you wish to filter by. Configure the filter to match your analysis needs. Now, set the conversion window if required. This defines the time frame in which users must complete the funnel steps. After configuring your funnel, click the Save button. Your funnel is now created, and you can view the conversion data. To analyze funnel performance over time, adjust the date range. Look for insights to improve user engagement through the funnel steps. Next, let's set up event properties for deeper insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.